Kajir is kind of like a pine forest, but this is the real deal. The mighty, lofty, snow-clad mountains in the backdrop. Oh, what a beautiful sight to behold. Start of a new day. It's 15th of March, is it? It's the Ides of March, and today we are heading towards another trek. We're heading towards Kutla, and currently we are out to have some breakfast. This is the entire Tosh village, as you can see, and dotted across the Tosh village are small cafes and eateries and bakeries. There's one German bakery over there. Small little cafes dotted along the road. We are having food at this Shalom Cafe. It's pretty cozy, tucked away, cozy. Decors are nice, very artsy. मेरा दोस्त फोन पे बात कर रहा है घर पे. We are having tea along with we have ordered breakfast. We have two of them. They have ordered Indian breakfast, and I am trying the special Israeli breakfast, which is very popular here. Of course, Tosh, Kasol, Manali. This place is known for its Israeli tourists. The prevalence of Israeli tourists have literally named the place Mini Israel. Restaurants have Hebrew writings, hotels have Hebrew signages. So it shows that how much Israeli tourists contribute to the economy of and overall income of the local people here.
Life is tough.
इमरान की तरफ फोन फेंकू क्या बाहर?
नहीं वो मत करो. So shakshuka, as I've seen in the pictures, it's very good looking dish. And as I've understood from seeing the picture, it's basically some gravy made out of tomatoes and eggs put on that. And it's very easy to make. People say that. I don't know. I've never had it.
Tomatoes, eggs and gravy. Sounds delicious.
Sounds good.
Towards Kutla, and on the way we are passing through the beautiful residential area of Tosh. Before that, piche, these are all homestays and hotels, and right now here you see all residential, the traditional Himachali houses, Himachali village. Beautiful, isn't it? Tilt kind of architecture, which is very common in Himachal and other hills of India. The plan is going to Kutla, and from there going onwards to Buddhavan, which is even more secluded, a kind of remote. तो मजा आने वाला है. यहाँ पे markings है. Kutla waterfall this side. ऐसे ऊपर जा रहा है. Destination of peace on the right. Temple bridge on the right. When the sun is out and you are walking, you tend to feel very hot. So I think I'm gonna open my jacket. अगर आप फॉलो करते हैं माउंटेन ट्रैकर चैनल को, जो कि वरुण भैया चलाते हैं, वहाँ पे तो वो माउंटेन ट्रैकिंग करते ही नहीं है. तो अगर माउंटेन ट्रैकिंग देखनी है तो टर्मिनल ही को फॉलो कीजिए. नो ऑफेंस वरुण भैया, वी स्टिल लव यू. यू आर स्टिल माई इंस्पिरेशन. completed around, I don't know how many kilometers, but quite some kilometers. We are near a waterfall which is on the way towards Kutla. The road here goes till Kutla straight. It's around 2 kilometers. May take us roughly 50 minutes, 45 minutes if we walk fast. And from there we'll go even further to Budhavan, which is a more secluded and a very, very untouched area. That's the highlight of today.
Pine forest.
It's a beautiful pine forest up there. Now I don't know how much my voice you can hear due to the waterfall sound. There's a beautiful waterfall which is coming. That it again forms another drop up ahead, but it's not that impressive. You can come here a bit up towards the way to Kutla, and you know there are a couple of cafes. It's called Tosh Waterfall. Yeah, it's written here, way to Kutla. And I guess we have to go up there. Isn't it beautiful, guys? What I'm thinking is the glacier which they are saying 2 hours is not the same glacier as those glaciers.
There is a total glacier.
Okay.
What they mentioned, that would take five hours.
5 days.
Sorry, 5 days was crossing that
Glacier, okay. If we are adventurous enough, we can reach the glacier. Then let's keep moving fast. Wow, now the civilization truly disappears. काफी वीराना जगह है पीछे. जितने भी दुकानें, शॉप्स थे, सब ये वाटरफॉल तक. इसके बाद ऊपर जरा कुछ भी नहीं. In the lap of the mighty Himalayas. The passes the mighty mountains which tamed civilizations and invading marauders. We are here to conquer it from our side. But what's the challenge here? You're not sure whether this is the way to...
Yeah, that is the thing.
This would be the one. Can you take us to Kutla? Do you know where Kutla is? Do you know? He doesn't know. He's a fluffy little dog. सब ठीक?
हाँ फिलहाल तो ठीक है,
How's the
लेकिन
Josh?
अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है that whether we are going
The right
on a
way.
proper route or not.
We have made it this far. What's stopping us from pushing us forward? And we will push forward. So what's the secret? And what's the secret to energy?
A good night's sleep and perhaps a few picks of proper Irish whiskey.
James Selwyn. That's the real deal. I wonder who are causing these flash fires over there. The local villagers? Who will climb up there to light?
Car. Shonak, right side, right, yeah.
have just filled water from a mountain stream. That's the thing about treks. Putting ourselves up here. We're also gonna fill it more a bit for our onward journey. Let's fill it full.
We can wash our face too.
Feeling super refreshed, right?
Spring water. After an hour of trek, I think we have finally made it here. Is this Kudla, Vinoj?
I think so.
This flat side with this plateau?
I think we're being Come on,
Let's go and check it out. It is?
Right.
Oh well, we have reached Kudla summit. Or whatever it is.
It's tiring as hell, man.
Yeah man, your face says it, even my face says it. It was a medium difficulty trek. In trekking terminology. What do you say?
There were quite a few steep trails actually.
Yeah, 45 to 50
They were short.
50-degree inclines were there. And behind me is the Kudla village. It's a small hamlet.
It's a plateau.
It's a plateau, and obviously anywhere you come in the Himalayas, there'll be this omnipresent.
Those guys are there.
Maggie shops,
Right at
momo
the top.
shops, tea, coffee. So यहाँ पे बैठेंगे, चाय शाय मारेंगे, फिर देखते हैं आगे कुछ है या नहीं तो नीचे जाएंगे. तब तक अब नज़ारे देखो.
मैंने 31st day 31st night party जिसको लगा कि पार्टी চলছে আজ আমি তো লিভে আছি আমার এখানে নেটওয়ার্কই নেই
ब्लॉग হচ্ছে. कुटला को पीछे छोड़ के आगे बढ़ रहे towards Buddhavan, which is even more secluded and even more unexplored. And the trek will take around 1 hour, depending on our stamina. It may take more, or it may take less. I don't know. There.
Yeah, probably. This cottage looks like stone cottage type.
Just like Red Dead Redemption, we are nearing the snow line. There is effing snow over there.
Okay.
Tomorrow, snow will be like.
Dreamland kind of.
Yeah. Last I saw snow in Uzbekistan, in the Tian Shan mountains. This shoe, I'll tell you how much this shoe costs, guys. The one which I'm wearing. It's from Decathlon. It costs 800 rupees. 799.
You're all wearing Decathlon shoes.
So yours are a higher range one, proper mountaineering and trekking ones.
This is
My friend here wants to come visit Kutla again. He's
in love with.
He's a Himachal fanatic, I call him. He's his, you know his nickname? In Bengali, we call him the Pahadi Piche. Because he's from the hills. The mountain scorpion. He strikes you when you expect the least. Now, where the hell should we go? There are multiple trails and not a soul in sight whom we can ask. Now slowly the trail is disappearing. Now you can literally go from anywhere. Here's Abhinoj climbing. There's Aditya climbing. Here I am. You have to ask these people where the Buddhavan is. Already we can see snow just there. Very much sure that we'll have snow when we reach Buddhavan. Look how high we have come. After a lot of steep uphills, we are coming across a meadow, a plateau. After that meadow, we are suddenly in the forest once again.
বাইরে জিনিস বলবো I think the road is that way. ওটা একটু হলো এটা মনে
There is, follow the mule dung. Follow the mule dung. I think you'll lead. That will lead you to the trail.
something there.
Let's go check. Camp over here.
ওদিকে তো নিচে ছিল
There is a snow carpet. Trail, there is a trail. No. भाई, be it there. भाई जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. चलते अंधकार होले होबे. Let it be dark. We'll come back in the dark.
भैया जी
सब्जी. भैया जी.
भैया बुद्धवन किस तरफ है बुद्धवन
बुद्धवन
बुद्धवन.
किस तरफ जाना है? इस तरफ
ठीक है.
पूरे ब्लॉक
ইন্ডিয়া বলে তাও লোক পেলাম
বা এটা স্কটিশ হাইল্যান্ডস বা নরওয়ে মোড়ে পড়ে থাকবো বডি পাওয়া যাবে 10 বছর 2 বছর পর हाँ प्लेन है ना आराम आराम से चल ठीक है थैंक यू
धन्यवाद
Guys, we were just walking towards Budwan and look at the drop which we just came across. Absolute nothing. And below there is the stream, the river flowing. It's very precarious. I can't go further to the edge. But see the drop, guys. Roles have been reversed. Obhinay Aditya vlogging. I am taking snaps. Now the thing is, we have reached a kind of a meadow, and just below is the stream. The stream which we saw from the drop, it is much closer to us right now. But we don't know whether this is Buddhavan or not, because there's not a soul inside other than the three of us. Look at it. There's no one here. But we can also go forward, or we can head back, because we have a long way to go, and part of it is still uphill. But nevertheless, what a sight! What a sight! But there was a cafe which was hidden in the rocks. Is it there actually?
let's check out that thing only.
Let's go.
শোনা জিজ্ঞেস করে নে এদেরকে
Bridge Buddhavan. So little bit up ahead is a small cafe which is not functional. It's a place where people relax, sit by the stream, and everywhere in this place, literally everything is a relic or a deity. So we saw one in Kutla, and there is another one here in Buddhavan. Same kind of mountain deity which they worship. Very spiritual, very pagan, I should say.
yeah those were
More people are coming. So we'll have company.
yeah we have come
So we have a guide with us who is taking us to
Come on, girl. So Wherever you go in the hills, a dog always leads the way. That's the thing which is happening here.
My way.
It's more over there.
Yeah, there's snow nearby, guys. But I've been told that there's no snow in the glacier. That's pretty odd. There's been a long trek today. Pretty hectic one also, as we are quite amateurs in trekking.
Thanks Aditya for taking up the mantle of vlogging for a while. Oh wow, look at that stream, guys. There are markings finally. So what people talk about the glacier is not the glacier but the kind of a glacier viewpoint. There's a road to bridge. This was the bridge they were talking about. And wow, what a beautiful, beautiful stream. Finally came across Buddhavan. This is actually the real Buddhavan, a huge meadow which we see here. This is also like the meadow which we saw previously. That's also very beautiful, but this is much more flatter. And on the side, I'll just show you that beautiful stream. Take a look, guys. There is snow accumulated over there. I wish I could touch the snow over there. And oh so wow, this stream. I think we can get down from here. Shall we get down from here? Let's see. Reminds me a bit of Khajjar. Of course, Khajjar is much more greener and much more commercialized. A lot of activities going around over there. That's in Dalhousie, of course. This is much more barren. The trek is rugged, and in Khajjar you can't find this view. You can't find this view. Khajjar is kind of like a pine forest, but this is the real deal. The mighty, lofty, snow-clad mountains in the backdrop. My GoPro battery ran out, but look at this stream, guys. It's so awesome. It was a difficult trek from up there, but finally I'm down, and it is a sight to behold. Really awesome. The trek down was okay, but I have to trek up right now. Yeah, that's it. And now we are heading back. Officially, our Kutla Buddhavan trek comes to an end.
was a grand success.
It was a grand success. Is it Buddha 1 or Buddha 1?
Budvan.
Budvan.
Shayad Budvan.
So it was a huge, massive success thanks to Abhinoj, and what a awesome vistas we saw. I mean, literally, even out of this world. So, abhi vlog khatam karte hain with this, ending today's vlog. So if you like this vlog, you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up. Comment what you feel like. Share it amongst your friends, and of course, hit that subscribe button and press the bell
Bye-bye,
icon,
guys.
so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get the notification. With that, bye bye.
Bye bye.